We regularly test smoke detectors and we replace their batteries. We also keep an eye out for any older smoke detectors, and anything older than about 10 years really needs to go. Smoke detectors are not a forever item. In fact, if you've been living in your house for over 10 years and you haven't changed yours in that time, do it. It's cheap. I can't stress enough the importance of regular smoke detector tests and battery replacement, because fire kills about 4,000 Americans every year, and in the same time another 30,000 people are seriously injured by fire. And what's worse, a study found that the vast majority of those deaths and injuries could have been prevented just by working smoke detectors. This is a real shame, and it's exactly why we check them out on every visit.